Dahlia, asa naman ta Dahlia? Uwi na tayo.
Yes.
Ay, sus, ano yan, regalo yan ni ate sa'yo. Ang ganda na. Birthday gift mo, ate. Siniswerte ka talaga, alam mo,
Ito
Lia.
yung birthday gift ni ate sa akin, tingnan mo.
Oo.
Last na ano na daw to, bunga.
Bunga, o diba? Kakaiba ang regalo ni ate. May
Yes,
pa,
at saka
may pa ka banana cake pa siya,
Ang
oh.
cake ni ate para sa akin
Oo,
ito,
yan.
bago.
Ay, pahinging bula.
Oo.
Oh.
Sabi ni ate, ninakaw daw niya. Maganda ba? Ngayon lang ito ito lang yung first time ko
Best,
naka-receive ng...
best gift ever since birth.
First
How young are you before you receive the best gift ever?
You don't wanna know, this is my first...
How you call that gift?
Hey, this is
Opo.
good though.
Hey, you know what, guys?
What do you call this?
You know, guys, in Tagalog is opo. It means in English, yes, ma'am. You call this vegetable, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ay, yes, oh my God.
Tayo na, Day. Tayo na.
Ay, uwi na kami, guys. Uwi na kami. My goodness. Tapos na. Tapos na. Ate, bye. Ate, bye. Thank you for your kindness. God bless. Bye.